In this video I just want to talk about demonstration models and show you what I use whilst I'm treating patients in the clinic. I use Enigma Life and Full Nature. These are both by Shotlander. Really nice quality teeth. These are what we use on our standard classic dentures, and the reason I like these is because they look really nice and it's something that you can get out and you can show the patients various different sort of shapes and sizes of the teeth. This one is the Enigma Life teeth, which are better quality, and it just helps to sort of show them, go into some real details. I have a drawer full of all sorts, so I've got lots of different examples. This one's mainly tooth whitening, anti-snoring, things like that. And then this one, again, it's just lots of different examples. So depending on what the patient's requirements are, I've usually got something that's fairly similar to what they're going to need. More examples here. They're a bit messed up at the moment. I used to have all the lowers in one and all the uppers in the others, but then it's really invaluable to have something like this where you've got examples that you can just quickly grab to hand and then show your patients. So for example, we do a lot of implant retained dentures here, and having a little model like this so you can just show them the implants, give them a better idea of what they look like. Because a lot of patients, you know, they don't even know that these are available. They think it's just the fixed implants, and they don't realise that you can do the removables. So it's a nice quick video. As I say, it's a really good idea to have something like this in your clinic, so when you're going through all the options of the patients, you can literally show them, get demonstration models out, put them in their hands so they can see what they're going to look like, give them an idea, especially for people that have not worn dentures before. It can be a little bit intimidating for them, a little bit scary not knowing what they're going to get. And likewise, if they've just had acrylic dentures all their life and then suddenly you're suggesting metal frameworks, and you've got some metal frameworks that you can show them as an example, that works really well as well. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next one.